In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new task in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the project folder where the new task is going to live. To do this, navigate through your workspace and locate the specific project or folder in the left sidebar. Once you find it, simply click on it. This step is crucial because you want your task to be organized within the right context, making it easier for your team to find it later. Now that you have your project folder open, it's time to initiate the new task. Look towards the top of your workspace screen, and you should see a button labeled Plus Item. Go ahead and click that. This action tells Wrike that you're ready to create something new, and in this case, it's going to be a task that will help you organize your work efficiently. Next, you'll need to name your task. Here, it's essential to be precise and descriptive. Think of a title that clearly communicates the purpose of the task. For instance, instead of simply naming it Meeting, you might want to use something like Weekly Team Strategy Meeting. This name not only tells your team what the task is about, but also helps avoid any confusion later on, especially if multiple meetings are involved. Once you've typed in a clear and descriptive name for the task, the next thing to do is to save it. To do this, just press Enter on your keyboard. And voila! Your task is now saved and will appear in your project list for the entire team to see and interact with. This collaborative aspect is one of the great features of Wrike. Everyone can stay on the same page, and that's really all there is to it. You've successfully added a new task in Wrike. It's a simple process, but it's incredibly important for keeping your projects organized and ensuring clear communication among team members. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. The more you engage, the more motivated I'll be to create even more content to help you navigate tools like Wrike or any others you might be using. Remember, the key to effective project management is not just adding tasks, but clearly naming them and organizing them well, so your team can work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video where we'll dive into more tips and tricks for staying productive.